Tiny Temper, Ishi, Kelly Rowland, let's go.
Invincible, 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 invincible.
Yeah, they said we shouldn't, they said we wouldn't, look where we are. We've done what they thought we couldn't. As bad as the odds were looking, push it, but we kept on pushing. And every time I nearly hit the ground, you were my cushion. There's evidence that proves that you were heaven sent. Cause when I needed rescuing, you was there at my defense. Girl, in you I found a friend. You make me feel alive again. And I feel like the brightest star, cause you make me shine again.
No matter where we are, no matter just how far our paths lead, we don't need no shield, cause love is the armor that we need. Invincible, invincible, love's our protector.
Yeah, from the wildest water, yeah, to the highest mountain. You are our forever, even through the driest desert. You lift me higher than ever. I feel light as a feather, and when we're fighting together, we can take on the weather. I will keep you waterproof. Every single storm you ever have to walk through, I will go before you. I will be the voice when you need someone to talk to. Please don't ever doubt me. Let me reassure you.
No matter where we are, no matter just how far our paths lead, we don't need no shield, cause love is the armor that we need. We're invincible, invincible, invincible. Love's our protector. Invincible, invincible,
You and I against the world. They can't stop us now. We've come too far. We work too hard. We're invincible.